Hello guys, today I'm going to show how I solved WordPress problem regarding Wordfence plugin. Wordfence is a security plugin that blocked all IPs due to a caching problem, where it was finding that the Wordfence plugin was finding that some of the pages like CSS or JavaScript were missing, so it blocked all the IPs. So I wrote a blog about it, and I thought to explain it for anyone to have an explanation. So uh, this is the thing I got when fence blocked my access. The and This is how all it started. I was getting a ton of blocked IP messages, automated emails from Wordfence plugin, that it is blocking all the IPs trying to access my website. So the thing is, it is blocking because it was thinking that some hacker was trying to access 404 on and not found script. Like hackers always try to find out the non-existent pages to hack or inject code. But in this situation, the cache plugin I have was not running well, so it it deleted some of the cached files regarding the CSS, and as a result, due to missing CSS files, the Wordfence was blocking each and everybody, like the normal visitors or the hackers or anything. It was a massacre, and I was very tensed, and so I jumped into the situation and tried to solve it. And then in the step two, I went and to check the CSS missing files, or what is causing the blocking in the security Wordfence plugin. Then there I saw that many of the IPs are not harmful, and they are like the normal visitors. But Wordfence is blocking due to the reason they showed exceeded the number of pages not found errors. Basically, these not found pages are .css files only, and they are not harmful. But the CSS files from the cache plugin was missing, so it was blocking everybody. This is a screenshot from the Wordfence plugin, uh, and then you can see the block counts. The dates and everything. Anyways, I could understand that this is not a security threat, but a cache plugin mistake it was making. And then I visited the site, and then I saw on the site is not running well, and the CSS files are all gone, and the menus and everything are all crashed. And as a result, the site is broken. See, here is the 404 pages of the site. 404 pages of the site here, like the minify header dot min, minify header dot min. These are the cache CSS files that was missing due to the cache plugin. And I could see it from the inspect element in Google Chrome. So I understood what I have to do. Uh, and in the step 4, I tried to visit the site myself again, but the Wordfence also blocked me. And this is the Wordfence blocking message when a visitor is blocked. Yeah, mainly this blocking mechanism is here to prevent any hacker find unauthorized or injected pages. So the Wordfence files also blocked me, and I couldn't see the pages, or I couldn't see the site to solve it. And then so I understood that I have to unblock myself. To unblock myself, I went to the FTP, and I use FileZilla. In the FTP, I renamed the Wordfence plugin with like Wordfence.1, so that if you rename a plugin, it deactivates automatically in WordPress. And then uh, after deactivating the plugin, so the blocking is gone, IP blocking is gone, I could log in into the system, run the WPNet admin dashboard. And in the step 6, I went to the cache plugin and minified and deleted all the cache pages from the cache purge cache menu. I was using WP optimized plugin, so this was the this was the main reason the cache plugin was not working. I deleted all the cache files. I deleted all the pages cached. It did. So don't worry. The cache plugin will automatically regenerate those pages. And in the step 7, to take extra precaution, I went to the cloud-based hosting I was using, and under the server, or any server you have, then manage settings, and I was running a varnish cache software that is given by the server. Also, I also cleaned the cache by clicking this purge button. So I got rid of the server cache, I got rid of the website cache, and then my site was also in the Cloudflare. The Cloudflare also caches your site, and what you have to do is you have to log into the site, click on the configuration, and purge everything. So you have all the cache cleared, and after going to the site and reloading, I could see my site is all back on how it used to be, and there is nothing missing. So the CSS files was there, and it was properly cached and not missing. Then I went back to the Wordfence plugin. Before that, what I did is I I renamed the plugin to Wordfence only, like before, and then activated it from the WP dashboard under plugin plugins, and then after deactivating the Wordfence plugin again, I went back to the Wordfence blocking list and unblocked all the IPs, and that was good IPs and nice IPs, and that was not any type of hacking on everything. And I unblocked all the IPs, including my visitors and my customers, my IPs. So after unblocking everything, the site was okay, and the Wordfence didn't again find any missing files or blocked me. You can go through all the steps, and hopefully you can solve the way I solved it. If there is any question, please leave it down in the comments. Thanks for watching.